Hello, welcome to week 2 of Sociology 185. Thank you so much for all the students who posted on the discussion post. It was great. I had a really interesting time reading everyone's post. I left comments on about half of the students, right? So going forward, that's my plan. I'm going to leave a little brief comment on about half of the students' posts on the discussion board, all right? It seemed like the prompt had two sides to it. It seemed like students either thought robotization was a positive, leading to increases in creativity, demands in different jobs. Also, the other side to it, though, were some students who thought that increased robotization led to things that were negative, such as a loss in overall jobs and different effects on racial groups, class, gender, right? I think those comments are awesome. I encourage you to keep it up. One thing I would add to make it a little more connecting with the class is make sure to connect your posts with the readings, all right? So make sure, so what I would do is I would do the readings before you post. So the posts inform your opinion about the question. Right? So this week, I'm not that strict on grading the posts without the connection to the readings, but going forward, I expect those things to go hand in hand, all right? So going forward, by Friday, you will have a post due for week 2, and the question is, how serious do you believe that the loss of blue-collar jobs is in the U.S. market, and what, if anything, would you do about it, right? So please, again, connect that question and your answer with the readings for this week. Looking forward to reading everyone's work. Make sure to please submit it early. So it's due on Friday and the responses are due on Sunday, but kind of my last piece of advice for a lively discussion is as early as you can, post the first answer to the prompt, okay? Do that so people have time to read your post and can marinate on it and think about responses to it. Again, great job. See you guys next week. Take it easy. Have a good weekend.